Okay, so now we're going to go over how to use a single tufted brush when you have a fixed brace. Now when you have a fixed brace on, it's very difficult to use either your electric toothbrush or your manual toothbrush very effectively around the brackets themselves. Now these areas will collect a lot of plaque, so it's really important that you take the plaque away. So the best thing to use is a single tufted brush. I'm just going to show you how to use that. So if we look at the lowers there, you literally are going to take the single tufted brush and you're just going to sweep underneath the brackets where it meets that gum line there. Then you're going to come upwards and go in between the teeth, so you'll be sliding underneath the wire and cleaning around the bracket. And you'll continue to do that until you've cleaned all of the brackets, like so, including the uppers as well. So around that gum line, sweep, come along the sides of the bracket, so you're going under the wire and come underneath.